Sometimes happiness is simply having a friend beside you. And this video will show you how friendship from a cat brings happiness to people.
Daddy! Just put her down.
It is an undeniable fact that no one wants to leave their cute little master.
Dad! Dad!
He's proven that cats can be a perfect partner for humans.
Oh, no.
What's going on in here?
He's picking it all up.
House cleaning is an important lesson that every mother needs to teach her children.
Still purring.
Moses, you can't just knock stuff over.
MashaAllah, sister.
It doesn't matter what you want to do, your kitty will always please you.
Rahim, sister Lulu becoming a hijabi. MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Hey boy, when the show hasn't started, the audience can't get close. Let's quickly take note of how to poke your pet.
This cat. Oh, that is so sweet. Call me f***ing Snow White.
He must be trying to act out a love scene with her, but it seems his cat needs another actor. The cuddle of the owner is the key to happiness for the pet.
Mink, mink, mink.
It is true that no one understands you better than your father.
Were you sleeping? Don't meow in the middle of the night.
Now, cooking is no longer boring when there's the presence of your kitten.
Oh, she's so lovey.
She just wants
Kitty is like a child. They also want to be with their mother all the time, even when she's sleeping. A true family is when something good has to be shared.
Oh! Shitter.
An affectionate kiss is the most effective and sweetest way to say hello. Don't believe it? Give it a try. If your head is itchy and you can't scratch because you're playing games, then don't worry, your saviour's always available. The cat fulfilled his brother's responsibility of teaching his younger brother how to use the phone. A gentle reminder, no matter how busy you are, don't forget to cuddle your child. There's nothing happier than having someone help you dry your beard like that. This is exactly why you should have a cat in your home. The little boy's the passionate armpit hair remover everybody wants to have.
Like someone likes your smelly armpits.
No owner can resist the cuteness of the cat. He proved it with his kisses.
Guys, he literally just crawled into my hijab and he's trying to sleep here. How are you trying to sleep in my hijab? Like, I know it's, you know, it's all comfy and like, I don't know.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Hey kitten, your mother's mouth isn't the perfect ideal place for you to sleep. The kitty's dream of flying fulfilled with the help of his owner.
Zip, look what Daddy got you.
Mommy got you, Zip.
No, Daddy got you that.
Animals are every child's best friend. Every cat's fear that their owner is not well. That's why he's so worried about her.
Goodbye. I love you.
It's hard for the kitty to say goodbye to his friends. After watching this video, do you want a cat friend? Please let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.